Hello everyone, welcome to HG Engineering. As you are aware that kitchen is the heart of the home. Whether it is small or big, kitchen is the hub of the home. So we have to think more and more before executing the kitchen. So today we are going to discuss about 9 important points to be considered before designing a smaller kitchen. The main difficulties in designing a smaller kitchen is that we have to accumulate entire kitchen appliances in smaller kitchen like we used to do in bigger kitchen. Before starting this video, I would like to request you to please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Point number 1 is working triangle. Working triangle means in kitchen, 3 locations are majorly used. That is a sink, fridge and stove. These 3 locations should be inside the kitchen with sufficient and with standard distance to avoid difficulties while cooking. And point number 2 is we should provide at least maximum space in kitchen counter, because if we have lesser space in counter means it will be very difficult for users to cook. At least we should have at least 13 feet free space for a kitchen counter. And next point number 3 is we should use built-in type oven for a smaller kitchen, as independent oven gets additional space in kitchen counter, so we can go for a built-in type oven. And next point number 4 is we should use right size kitchen appliances. That is, for a smaller kitchen we should use smaller size appliances rather than bigger size. That appliances should be equal to the family size. Then point number 5. Point number 5 is we should use 3 levels of storage, that is below the counter, between the counter and the loft, and over the loft. Rarely using appliances can be kept over the loft, and frequently using appliances can be kept under the counter. And next point number 6. Point number 6 is using of reflective laminates for a smaller kitchen will be feel kitchen in somewhat spacious in size. So we have to use reflective laminates. And next point number 7. Point number 7 is we should use slimmer cabinets as to save the space, and also we should use single sink at the kitchen counter to get more space in the counter. And next point number 8. Point number 8 is we should provide a window compulsory in the kitchen to feel the spacious size of the kitchen, as well as to maintain indoor air quality of the kitchen. And next point number 9. Point number 9 is we should use more drawers for storage instead of shelves. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video is informative to you. If I have left any points, please mention in comment box below. Thank you. Have a good day.